The characteristics of the target group significantly influence the design and development of print-based learning resources. Tailoring these resources to meet the specific needs and preferences of your audience can enhance their effectiveness and accessibility. Here are some key ways in which target group characteristics might impact the design and development process.
Firstly, let's consider language and literacy skills. For groups with varying literacy skills, it's essential to use simple, clear language and avoid complex jargon. This can include visual aids, infographics, and the use of diagrams to help convey information more effectively to those with lower literacy levels, for whom the language of instruction is not their first language. Next is cultural and socioeconomic background. Cultural relevance and sensitivity should be reflected in the content, any examples, and imagery used in the learning resources. Ensuring materials are free from cultural biases and represent diverse perspectives can make learning more inclusive. Additionally, considering the socioeconomic background of learners might influence the assumptions made about prior knowledge or experiences. When it comes to prior knowledge and experience, understanding the learner's previous education and work experiences allows for the content to be pitched at the right level. For novices, a more foundational approach is necessary, while those with more experience, the materials might need to focus on advanced concepts or provide opportunities for deeper exploration of the subject matter. How about age and generational differences? The age and generational attributes of your target group can influence design choices such as font size, layout, and the complexity of the content. Younger learners might appreciate more dynamic and visually engaging materials, while older adults might prefer more traditional layouts and structures. The learning preferences and styles. Incorporating a variety of instructional strategies can cater for different learning styles within your target group. So this might include textual information, visual information and representations, case studies, and practical exercises to address the needs of multi-sensory learners. Accessibility needs. Ensuring that print-based materials are accessible to learners with disabilities is crucial. This might involve considering font sizes, colour contrasts, and the use of clear and simple language. Providing alternative formats for supplementary materials can also support learners with specific accessibility needs. Let's now consider technological access and skills. While focusing on print-based materials, it's important to consider the learner's access to and proficiency with technology, especially if supplemental resources are provided online. Instructions for accessing and using any digital components should be clear and accommodate varying levels of tech savviness. And lastly, motivation and engagement. Understanding what motivates your target audience can inform the development of engaging content. This resonates with the learners. Incorporating elements such as real-world applications, problem-solving activities, and reflective questions can enhance engagement and motivation. By considering these characteristics during the design and development stages, you can create print-based learning resources that are more likely to be effective, engaging, and accessible to your target audience, ultimately supporting better learning outcomes.